शक्ति की क्षमता और संकल्प शक्ति का भी प्रदर्शन है।
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Snehabalang Dhar has denied allegations linking him to the proscribed Hnlc National Liberation Council, calling them false, baseless and politically motivated. The allegations claim Dhar financially supported the militant outfit during his time in the Congress-led government. Dhar rejected the allegations, terming them politically motivated.
The allegation which you have seen in the news for the last 2 days, which has been stated by the Hnlc, so which is very, very unfortunate to see, but which is false and baseless allegations. And it seems from the statement of some other political leaders also, the way how it moved, it seems this move is, it seems politically motivated just to malign my image personally. And please remember, I have seen so many friends who try to follow up me personally, but the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, God will bless me and bless my party and the governments. I am here to serve my people, very, very sincere. We are here to protect the state, the peoples and the country as a whole. We are your leaders. Please trust us. All these things, baseless allegation, which is not true at all.
Padma Shri awardee